population.
Of the 2023 Africa Youth Climate Assembly was African Solutions to Global Challenges. In this regard, President William Ruto commended the youth for their role in fighting climate change. Now, the youth gave 5 demands to the summit leaders, as Fatia Mohammed Noor now reports.
Africa has the youngest population in the world, with 70% of sub-Saharan Africa's population under the age of 30. It is estimated that by 2030, young Africans are expected to constitute 42% of the global youth population. There is might in numbers, and this age group remains key in climate action, especially because they are aware of a future under threat. The youth representatives at the Africa Climate Summit had their demands.
And one of the key asks that young people put forward through this assembly is that we want to be systematically embedded, because this is the time when young people are no longer going to be conference attendees or watching from the sidelines, but they have proven that they are actually solution providers, and they are innovating and bringing ideas that are shaping and changing the face of our continent and driving Africa's green growth agenda. And at the same time, for the young people across the African continent, we have definitely redefined what climate action looks like. We have redefined how our ideas and the solutions we bring to the table can be able to be part and parcel of the solution.
My country, the United Arab Emirates, planted diverse seeds in youth empowerment and youth action. And today, we are enjoying the ripeness of these fruits. 60% of our negotiators at COP28 are youth. 36% of our COP28 presidency team are youth. Young people of the UAE have been involved in all of our NDCs and climate change strategy and policies federally.
Apart from the demands, their biggest concern is climate justice and sustainability, as well as a collaborative approach with young people to save the continent. Fatia Mohammed Noor.
All right, before I speak to the ODM party disciplinary chairperson, that's Professor